Hello, student. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. Now today there are some question on amine. The previous year board question on amines. Amine. Write some question on amine. Number 1. Aniline is less basic than ammonia. Explain. Why aniline is less basic than ammonia? This is because in aniline the lone pair electron on nitrogen atom involved in resonance with benzene ring. If we consider the aniline molecule, the lone pair electron on nitrogen atom involved in resonance with benzene ring. This is the resonance structure. So the nitrogen atom acquire partial positive charge. So the electron pair is not easily available for protonation. Hence aniline is less basic than ammonia. Next question, question number 2. Rearrange the following in increasing basic strength. C6H5 NH2, C6H5 N CH3 whole 2, C6H5 whole 2 NH and CH3 NH2. Which is most basic among these? You know that aniline or NN dimethyl aniline or the secondary amine. Now due to presence of two benzene ring, it will be the less basic, though it is secondary amine but aromatic amine, so will be less basic. So maximum increasing order, the minimum basic character C6H5 whole 2 NH less than C6H5 NH2 less than C6H5N CH3 whole 2 less than CH3 NH2. This will be the order of basic character. Now next question. Complete the following reaction. Complete the following reaction. CH3 CH2 NH2 plus CHCl3 plus KOH alcoholic. Heat. This is number 1. Number 2. Benzene ring NH2 plus Br2 aqueous. Number 3. CH3 CO NH2 Br2 oblique Br2 plus NaOH. What will be the product? Complete the following reaction. The first one is the carbylamine reaction. You know it is the carbylamine reaction. So isocyanide will be formed. So first one, the product as CH3 CH2 NC ethyl isocyanide plus 3 KCl plus 3 O2. This is the carbylamine reaction. Second one, bromine water, when it reacts with aniline, it gives a precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So this will be the product, benzene ring NH2 Br 2,4,6 tribromoaniline plus 3HBr. A white precipitate is formed. Our third one, this is the Hoffman degradation reaction. Acetamide reacts with bromine and NaOH. There will be elimination of CO group to form methylamine CH3NH2 plus Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus water. This is known as Hoffman degradation reaction. So first one is the carbylamine reaction. This is the white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and last one is the Hoffman degradation reaction. The next question, identify ABCD. Next question, identify ABCD. Give structures of A, B, C. First one, C6H5NO2 Sn plus HCl, give A, then NaNO2 plus HCl 273 Kelvin, give B, then water boil, the C. Second one, CH3CN, water H plus, gives A, NH3 heat, give B, Br2 KOH, give C. Third one, C6H5N2 plus Cl minus CuCN, gives A, water H plus, give B, NH3 heat, give C. Fourth one, CH3Cl KCN, gives A, LiAlH4 reduction, B and HNO2, gives C. And last, C7H7ON, this is A, Br2 KOH, Br2 KOH, gives C6H5NH2. This reacts with NaNO2 HCl, give B, reacts with C2H5OH, give C, B reacts with Ki, give D, and this reacts with chloroform plus KOH, give E. So you have to identify the structure of A, B, C, D, so on. The first one is the nitrobenzene on reduction give aniline. So what will be the structure? C6H5NH2. Nitrobenzene on reduction give aniline C6H5NH2. Now aniline undergo diazo reaction NNO2/HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade to form aniline benzene diazonium chloride. So B is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. Benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. This diazonium chloride on hydrolysis gives phenol C6H5OH. So A is aniline, B is diazonium salt and C is phenol. Okay. Now this is methyl cyanide. Any type of cyanide on hydrolysis give carboxylic acid. So A is CH3COOH. When heated with ammonia, it give amide CH3CONH2, acetamide CH3CONH2. These undergo Hoffman degradation Br2 and KOH to give methylamine CH3NH2, methylamine. So first cyanide on hydrolysis give carboxylic acid CH3COOH. This carboxylic acid when heated with ammonia, it gives a amide CH3CONH2. This amide when treated with Br2 and KOH, it gives an amine with one carbon less. This is the methylamine. This will be C. C is methylamine. Now in the next reaction, CuCN. This is the Sandmeyer reaction. When diazonium salt treated with CuCN, it forms cyanobenzene C6H5Cn, which on hydrolysis, you know, Cn on hydrolysis give acid. So this is the benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Benzoic acid when heated with ammonia, what will be product? Benzamide C6H5CONH2. So A is cyanobenzene, B is benzoic acid and C is benzamide. Next CH3Cl when treated with KCN, nucleophilic substitution reaction, chlorine is replaced by Cn to form CH3Cn. Reduction, cyanide always on reduction give primary amine CH3CH2NH2. This primary amine when treated with nitrous acid, it form alcohol. So C is C2H5OH, ethanol. So first nucleophilic substitution reaction, the halogen is replaced by cyanide to form CH3Cn. This CH3Cn on reduction give a primary amine CH3CH2NH2. This primary amine when treated with nitrous acid, it form ethanol. Hello student, any problem? Hello? All are the previous year CBSE board question. Any problem? Now last one, question number 5. You have to first formulate the structure of A. Say A must be an amide because it reacts with Br2KOH to give primary amine. That is A is a amide. It undergo Hoffman degradation reaction. So what will be A? This will be A. Benzene ring, upure CONH2, benzamide. Benzamide when treated with Br2 and KOH, it gives aniline. Now aniline when treated with NNO2HCl, this will be A treated with NNO2HCl. So what will be B? Diazonium salt, N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium salt, that will be B. Now this diazonium salt treated with ethanol, reduction take place to form benzene, that will be C. B reacts with Ki to form iodobenzene, benzene ring, that will be D. And what will be E? What will be E? The aniline treated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, that is carbylamine reaction. So isocyanide is formed, benzene ring NC. phenyl isocyanide, that will be A, E. So A is benzamide, B is diazonium chloride salt, C is benzene, because diazonium chloride when heated with ethanol or hypophosphorus acid, it undergoes reduction to form hydrocarbon. Now diazonium salt when treated with Ki, it form iodobenzene, and aniline when treated with chloroform and KOH, it form an isocyanide, carbylamine reaction. Okay. Hello student, any problem about this conversion? Identify ABCD. Hello. কি হলো রে? কোনো প্রবলেমই তোদের থাকে না। হ্যাঁ এখন খানিকক্ষণে এলো দেখলাম তো। Now next question, this is also the board question. Acha, convert the following, number 1, aniline to fluorobenzene, number 2, aniline to phenol, number 3, methyl cyanide to methylamine, number 4, ethyl amine to ethanal, and number 5, nitrobenzene to para hydroxyazobenzene. How will you convert the following? So first you write the question, convert the following: aniline to fluorobenzene, aniline to phenol, methyl cyanide to methylamine, ethylamine to ethanal, and nitrobenzene to para hydroxyazobenzene. The first one, you know the fluorobenzene can only be prepared by Balch-Siemann reaction. That is, you have to prepare the diazonium salt. So this is number 1. This is aniline. You first prepare diazonium salt. তাহলে NaNO2 plus HCl 273 Kelvin. What will be product? Benzene ring N2 plus Cl minus. Now HbF4, it forms benzene ring N2 plus BF4 minus. This when heated, it forms fluorobenzene plus nitrogen plus BF3. This process is known as Balch-Siemann reaction. So you first convert aniline to diazonium chloride, and diazonium chloride when heated with fluoroboric acid HbF4, it gives fluorobenzene. Okay. Now second one, aniline to phenol. Again you first prepare aniline to diazonium chloride. This is the aniline treated with NaNO2 plus HCl 273 Kelvin. What will be product? Diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus. This when treated with water boiled, it gives phenol OH, aniline to phenol. Diazonium chloride is normally unstable compound at higher temperature when it undergo hydrolysis to form phenol. Now methyl cyanide to methyl amine. Methyl cyanide, what is the formula of methyl cyanide? Methyl cyanide, number 3. Methyl cyanide, CH3CN. You have to prepare methyl amine, CH3NH2. That is one carbon should be eliminated. You undergo hydrolysis. It form acid CH3COOH, ammonia and heat. It form acetamide CH3CONH2. Then undergo Hammond degradation reaction. Br2 and NaOH heat. It gives methyl amine. CO is eliminated at Na2CO3. So you first undergo hydrolysis of cyanide, give carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid, when heated with ammonia, it form an amide. You know that any type of amide undergo Hammond degradation reaction to form primary amine with one carbon less. So it treated with Br2 and NaOH or Br2 and KOH. Next, ethylamine to ethanol. Number 4, ethylamine. What is the formula? C2H5NH2. Convert into alcohol. Nitrous acid, it convert into alcohol. Now copper and 573 Kelvin dehydrogenation to form CH3CHO, ethanol. You already known in the aldehyde ketone chapter, the ethanol when heated with copper at 300 degree centigrade, that is 573 Kelvin, it undergo dehydrogenation to form aldehyde. Primary alcohol give aldehyde and secondary alcohol give ketone. And last one, nitrobenzene to para-hydroxyazobenzene. What is the formula of nitrobenzene? Benzene ring, upore NO2, nitrobenzene. You convert into aniline, T-NH reduction, nitrobenzene on reduction give aniline. Now diazonium salt, NaNO2 H cell, it gives N2 plus Cl minus. This diazonium salt when treated with phenol at pH 9 to 10, it forms this compound, azo compound, azo dye, known as coupling reaction, para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is known as coupling reaction. So in this way, in your board exam, the conversion is normally one step or two step. So, hello student, any problem about the conversion? Hello? Any problem about the conversion? You have completed this question? Hello? All these questions are coming in from previous board exam. Now, this chemically distinguish between next type of question. Chemically distinguish between number 1, aniline and methylamine. Number 2, methylamine and N-methyl বা ডাইমিথাইলামিন, কমন নেম ডাইমিথাইলামিন। নাম্বার থ্রি aniline and N-ethyl aniline. And number 4 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. So how will you distinguish between them? So first aniline and methylamine, next methylamine and dimethylamine, third one aniline and N-ethyl aniline, and fourth one 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. Chemically distinguish mean you have to tell one chemical reaction by which you can distinguish between the two. First one, aniline is a aromatic amine, methylamine is a aliphatic amine. So aniline, when treated with bromine water, it gives a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, but methylamine does not react with bromine water. So aniline gives white precipitate with bromine water, but methylamine does not respond to this reaction. So we can distinguish aniline and by using bromine water. By using bromine water. K white precipitate this aniline. Aniline give white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, but methylamine does not respond to this reaction. Now next, number 2, methylamine and dimethylamine. Say methylamine, what is the formula? NH2, or dimethylamine, CH3 whole 2 Na. How will you distinguish between them? It is a primary amine, it is secondary amine. তাহলে by carbyl amine reaction, carbyl amine, that means you know primary amine undergo carbyl amine reaction. So methylamine when heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, it gives foul smell of isocyanide, but dimethylamine does not respond to this reaction. Carbyl amine reaction is responsible only for the primary amine. Secondary amine or tertiary amine does not give carbyl amine reaction. So methylamine when heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, it gives a foul smell of methyl isocyanide, but dimethylamine does not respond to this reaction. Number 3, it is also same. Aniline is a primary amine, benzene ring NH2, that is primary amine, or N-ethyl aniline, that is NH2H5 N-ethyl aniline, is the secondary amine, that it gives carbyl amine test. এটা হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ, এটা হচ্ছে পজিটিভ কার্বিল অ্যামিন টেস্ট, এটা হচ্ছে নেগেটিভ কার্বিল অ্যামিন টেস্ট। Carbyl amine test, that is aniline when heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, a foul smell of phenyl isocyanide is formed, but N-ethyl aniline does not give such carbyl amine test because it is secondary amine. And 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine, you know, that can be distinguished by using Hinsberg reagent. What is Hinsberg reagent? It is the benzene sulfonyl chloride C6H5SO2Cl. This Hinsberg reagent give white precipitate with primary amine which is soluble in excess NaOH. It also gives white precipitate with secondary amine, but the precipitate is insoluble in NaOH. A tertiary amine does not react with Hinsberg reagent. So in a three different test tube, say primary, secondary and tertiary amine is present. In each test tube you add the Hinsberg reagent. If you observe the test tube a white precipitate is formed, and when you add sodium hydroxide solution, the precipitate gradually dissolve, then it is primary amine. If you observe that in another test tube B, a white precipitate is formed, but the precipitate is not soluble in NaOH, then it is secondary amine. Or in test tube C, if there is no change, that is no reaction take place, then it is tertiary amine. So using Hinsberg reagent, we can distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Now next type of question, arrange the following. Arrange the following in increasing order of basic character. Number 1, C6H5NH2, C2H5 whole 2 NH, C2H5 whole 3 N are ammonia. Number 2, C2H5NH2, C2H5 whole 2 NH, C2H5 whole 3 N are CH3NH2. Number next দাঁড়া এক মিনিট আর দেখে নিয়ে কোথায় আছে আচ্ছা নেক্সট লেট নাম্বার 3 C6H5NH2, C6H5N, CH3 whole 2, C2H5 whole 2 NH or CH3NH2. CH3NH2. So you have to arrange this in increasing order of basic character. Increasing order of basic character. Now, say last one, start from question number 3, which is least basic aniline due to presence of benzene group. Here it is more basic because 2 plus I effect present. The lowest basic character হচ্ছে C6H5NH2, then C6H5N, CH3 whole 2, then primary amine CH3NH2, then secondary amine C6H5 whole 2 NH. So this will be the order of basic character. Okay, hello. Now question number 1. Start the question number 1. Which is most basic? Secondary amine, then tertiary amine, then ammonia. Least basic this. তাহলে C6H5NH2 least basic, then ammonia, then tertiary amine C6H5 whole 3N, then secondary amine C6 whole 2NH. So you know secondary amine is the most basic. Achha, last one here C2H5 primary amine, this is secondary amine, this is tertiary amine. Least basic হচ্ছে this. Number 2 CH3NH2, this is the least basic. Then primary amine because methyl group is present, then tertiary amine C2H5 whole 3N, and then secondary amine C2H5 whole 2Na. So in this way you have to calculate the order of the basic. This is very important for amine chapter. If you note the question, previous year question for last 10 years, you will observe that the arranging the order of basic chain is very important. Okay. Hello student, any problem? Hello? No. So in the Next class, some board exam question was discussed today. In the next class, I will discuss about the new chapter, that is polymer.